In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically apply a template to a new note on Obsidian. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable structure you can drop into any new note in seconds using the Templater plugin. First, open Obsidian. Make sure you're in the vault where you want to use templates. We're going to install a community plugin that makes templates powerful and flexible. So start by heading to Settings. You'll find this in the left sidebar or under the App menu depending on your device. Think of settings as the control center where you enable features and fine-tune how your notes behave. In settings, go to community plugins. This is where all of Obsidian's third-party add-ons live. You may see a notice reminding you that community plugins are made by independent developers. Take a moment to read it and continue if you're comfortable. These plugins are the reason Obsidian is so customizable, and the one we need here is safe and very popular. Click Browse to open the plugin directory, then use the search box to type Templater. Templater is an advanced templating tool that can insert text, dates, metadata, and more into your notes. It's the community standard for template workflows in Obsidian and will let you apply your note structure quickly and consistently. When you see Templater in the results, click Install, and after it finishes, click Enable. Installing adds it to your vault. Enabling turns it on so you can use it right away. Next, create a dedicated folder for your template files. In the File Explorer on the left, click New Folder and name it Templates. Keeping your templates in one place makes them easy to find and prevents them from getting mixed in with your regular notes. If your vault already has a templates folder, you can use that. Otherwise, the simple name Templates works perfectly. Now, create a new note inside that templates folder. This note will become the structure you want to reuse. Give it a clear name like Daily Note Template or Project Template so it's obvious what it's for when you insert it later. In the body of the note, enter the details you want to appear automatically. For example, you might add a title placeholder, a date line, a few headings like Overview, Tasks, and Notes, or any checklist you repeat often. Keep it simple at first. You can always refine it as your workflow evolves. If you use multiple kinds of notes, feel free to create another template note for that second use case. Having separate templates for different scenarios makes insertion frictionless. With your template saved, you're ready to use it in any new note. Create a new note anywhere in your vault where you want the structure to appear. Then open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or Linux, or Command+P on Mac OS. In the search box that appears, type Templater. Choose the command that inserts a template, then select the template note you created in the Templates folder. Obsidian will immediately pull in the content of that template, giving the new note a consistent outline without manual copy-paste. From now on, anytime you create a new note and want that structure, repeat the same command palette action. This keeps your notes uniform, speeds up capture, and reduces the chance you'll forget key sections. If you ever update the template in the templates folder, every future note you generate will reflect that change automatically when you insert it. A few quick tips to keep this smooth. Name templates clearly so you can find them quickly in the list. If you have multiple templates, keep them grouped in the same templates folder so they're easy to manage. And if the command list looks long, type a few more letters like template or insert to narrow it down instantly. That's it. You've installed Templater, set up a templates folder, created one or more template notes, and learned how to insert them into new notes on demand. Follow this workflow and you'll build notes faster with consistent structure every time. Thanks for watching and happy note taking.